Everyone is focused on the beat-up pickup truck. That's not the business. The story is powerful. Homeless to prison to rehab to $50,000 a month hauling junk. That deserves respect. But if you're watching this thinking all you need is a truck and hustle, you're missing the real engine. Let's break the math down. He says they're doing $50,000 per month at 35% net margins. That's about $1,750 per month in profit. Solid. But that only works if a few things are true. Consistent inbound leads, strong pricing discipline, controlled dump fees, reliable labor, local search dominance. This is not a truck business. It's a local marketing and operations business. The candy dish strategy gets attention. The real leverage is ranking in the Google Map pack. When someone types junk removal near me and you're one of the top 3 results, that's when the phone rings. That is what we call the competitive moat. Now let's talk about margins. Year 1 part-time with no payroll? Sure, 70% margins make sense. But once you scale, workers' comp, payroll taxes, fuel, vehicle repairs, commercial insurance, credit card fees, advertising, margins tighten fast if pricing isn't strong. So the question isn't, can you start with a pickup truck? The real question is, can you dominate your local market before 3 other guys buy the same trailer? This business works because they built referral loops with realtors. They saturated their local market. They built review volume. They reinvested slowly instead of buying shiny trucks on debt. That's the lesson, not the truck. The truck is easy. Distribution is hard. And if you're thinking about starting this, focus less on equipment and more on lead flow, branding, map pack ranking, pricing confidence. That's what actually turns junk into $50K a month.